Hi guys, welcome back to another video. There are many videos that I'm releasing recently, okay? And I'm pretty sure you guys have watched the previous videos that I've released about GameStop. And naturally, that's like right now the hype, okay? Between Wall Street bets and of course hedge fund managers, and they're all talking about what is the next multi-bagger stock. Is it gonna be AMC, right? So the idea here is, of course, this video is not gonna be about that, okay? But while all the attention has been on the stock market, about GameStop and things like that, I'm not sure if you actually also miss out on some other opportunities available in other markets, okay? And today we are talking about the currency market here in this video. In fact, for the past 2 weeks, okay, in multiple sharing sessions on the public, okay, either on my Facebook page, on some of the webinars that I've did with various organizations, we did talk about this, and this trade potential here, I actually labeled it trade of the year, because I think the opportunity for this pair, this currency here, is huge. Okay, so without further ado, I'm gonna show you the charts, again walk you through the thought process, and of course I'll also include some of the snippets, right, of what I have talked about in the various session, okay, and let you see where I'm coming from. Hopefully you'll be able to, I would say, right, into the thought process. I think that's very important. Pick up a skill set here, pick up a thing of two, and if you're able to also profit from this entire move, right, that would be great. Okay, so let's go into my chart and I'll show you what I see. Right, so over here, the currency pair that I'm talking about is the dollar yen, okay, and of course you should know by now I also do the FX market, right? So what you see over here is the chart on dollar yen, and this is on the daily time frame. Okay, now I don't execute trade on the daily time frame, but it's very important to understand the big picture, because I want to understand how much can we potentially profit from the next move that's likely to come. Okay, and if you take a look at this chart here on the daily, okay, what you do see is this is a pattern that is easily recognizable, and every time you see a pattern like that, okay, where you can see here this is a push to the upside very fast, followed by a very slow move that is coming down. This is what we call correction, okay? So you don't need to really complicate a lot of things. You just need to first pick up this skill set in identifying this pattern. And once you are able to do that, you know that there's a very high possibility the next move is likely going to continue to the upside. Okay, of course, trading is not just about identifying that pattern and then enter and execute your trade. There's more layer to that, but of course, today in this video, we're just going to simplify that process first, okay? Again, it's a journey, okay? And over here, with this video, of course, I won't be able to walk you the entire thing, okay? But I want you to be able to at least pick up something or two, okay? So every time I see this combination of a very fast move, which is what we call an impulse, followed by a very slow move we call a correction, every time we see a combination like that, we know there's a very high possibility this can go up, okay? And if I were to go down to the lower time frame on a 4-hour, you do see this combination as well, right? A very strong move to the upside followed by a correction. Okay, and again, I know that when I see something like this, there's a very high possibility the next move is to the upside. In fact, what you see over here is that price has already started pushing up, right? And of course, I'm already in this trade, just recently, okay? So if you actually did pay attention to those sharing that I did, you probably would have also capitalized on this move, okay? Of course, right now it's not like massive amount of profits, but the question here, of course, is will this be the start of that big move to the upside, right? So from a daily point of view, we do see price is starting to break out of this entire resistance structure, okay? And if that's the case, then perhaps the move to the upside is coming. Okay, and of course the target here we are looking at for our final target is at 111.7. Okay, and if you take a look at where the current price right now is trading somewhere around 104, So that's about 700 pips of move, okay? And I'm really paying very close attention to this pair here, because likely if this is going to develop as what we anticipate and forecast, this is likely going to be what we call trade of the year, which means that you do not really need to focus on a lot of opportunities. You just need one solid, good quality trade, and that's where majority of the profits will eventually come for the year. Okay, and of course, you know, as we progress, as we get into profits, the position gets into profit, so we'll definitely look for scaled in opportunity, which means that we're going to add on to our winners and let it run as far as it can. And it's of course very important for us to continuously manage the trade. Okay, so I'm not saying that now you should jump in and buy, okay, but just wanted to shoot out this video here to highlight again on this opportunity here. And I strongly believe that if this is likely going to go up all the way back to 111.7, okay, you do not need to be afraid of missing out, because the market will always give you opportunities to get in again and again and again. Okay, so yeah, so I really hope to highlight this for you guys who perhaps are a little bit too focused on what's happening on GameStop. I think it's always good to have some fun, some entertainment, but at the same time, do remain focused on what you do best, right? Which is really to manage your risk, trade the opportunities presented in the market, and not go in as a kind of like gambling mentality. Okay, and of course, if you are not aware, we do run the trading dose every Tuesday, okay, every Tuesday to Thursday. And over there, we do short-term intraday trading. We do it live analysis on my Facebook page. If you're not aware of it, just head over to the website on www.thetradingdose.com. You'll be able to find out a little bit more information, what we do over there every Tuesday to Thursday. The intention here, of course, is to reach out to as many traders as I can, and to really help them, at the same time show them what is real authentic part of trading, at least to the retail side, right? Of course, if you're working on prop firm, professional banks and things like that, it's slightly different, but I really want to show you how I do it, okay? And the objective here is hopefully to instill some knowledge, some skill set, at the same time to show you the journey of how it is being done from my perspective. Okay, so really appreciate if you have yet to subscribe to this channel, please do that. If you have been watching, you know, my videos and benefiting, you do give the videos a thumbs up as well. It will definitely help the algorithm and to help me reach out to more people, and hopefully I'll be able to help them through their trading journey as well. So with that, I'll see you guys in the next video.